Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheese egg Maggi. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of your favorite Maggi noodles, 1 fresh egg, and about 2 tablespoons of grated cheese like cheddar or mozzarella. Don't forget 1 cup of water and a tiny bit of oil or butter for cooking. If you like, have some chopped veggies ready to add extra goodness to your delicious meal. Now, let's get cooking. Start by heating 1 cup of water in a small pan over medium-high heat until it comes to a rolling boil. Carefully add your Maggi noodles and the entire tastemaker pack it into the hot water. Stir gently to ensure the noodles separate and cook evenly. Let them simmer for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are perfectly tender and most of the water has been absorbed, creating that classic Maggi texture. This is where the magic happens. Once your noodles are nearly done, gently create a small well in the center of the pan. Carefully crack 1 egg directly into this space. Let the egg cook undisturbed for about 30 seconds, allowing the white to set slightly. Then, generously sprinkle your 2 tablespoons of grated cheese all over the noodles and the egg. The residual heat will melt the cheese beautifully, creating a creamy, rich texture. Almost there. After adding the cheese, cover the pan with a lid for just 1 minute. This allows the cheese to melt completely and become wonderfully gooey, blending all the flavors together. Remove the lid, and if you like, add a sprinkle of fresh chopped cilantro or spring onions for a burst of color and extra freshness. Your hot, comforting, and incredibly delicious cheese egg Maggi is now ready to be enjoyed. Dig in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.